If you go on an AI automation journey, an AI agent journey in your business, there are three mistakes you have to avoid. If you make these mistakes, and a lot of people we see making these mistakes and look like a rookie. So here's the first one. First mistake is trying to build a super agent from day one. See, you don't need a robotic CEO. You already are a CEO. You're not going to free up your time on day one. So don't build a super agent on day one to handle everything in your business. Start small, clear, repetitive task and make it outcome based, small win, and then scale. Okay. The second mistake is ignoring your existing tools and data and going on to a major technology transformation. Don't do that. That's a big mistake. Most people build agents in isolation. Big mistake. Okay. Your best agents live inside your workflow. Existing tools, existing technology, what your team is using, integrate Slack, Gmail, Notion, HubSpot, CRM, whatever that you use, integrate that and put an agent in the middle of your tools, in the middle of your workflow to augment and fast track or automate your workflow. That's the way you start. That's the way you scale. You try and completely change your technology. Your team will now be working with the new technology tools instead of actually completing their work, and you're going to experience a massive decline in productivity instead of increase in productivity, because now your team is dealing with new set of technology that they are not used to. Okay, so don't make that second mistake. The third one, no feedback loop, what I call dead agent. If your agent is not learning, what do I mean by feedback loop? If your agent is not continuously learning, iterating, it's just a glorified zap using Zapier, right? You need a feedback loop. You need to measure the outcomes. You need to measure the outputs. You need to tweak the prompts and keep iterating just like any other product, right? So it needs to be a learning agent with a food feedback loop, measures incorporated in it, and keep improvement on month basis. That's a third mistake people make. Build an agent that is not a self-learning agent. People think that, once an agent is built, it's done and dusted, it's finished, and I don't need to do anything further. No, you need to keep iterating. You need to keep having the feedback loop and make it as learning agent. You have to go and change the prompts so that it keeps getting better, just like any other product iterations. So avoid these three mistakes and actually be successful in your journey of building agentic AI, building an autonomous, efficient organization using AI, and winning in business in 2025. If you want to have a talk with us, book a call, like, comment, subscribe, and let's talk. MVP1 can help you build your agentic AI journey, an agentic organization. See you soon.